On January 12, 2010, at 4:53 p.m., a catastrophic magnitude 7 earthquake hit the nation of Haiti, causing extensive damages, deaths, injuries, and disruptions. The aftermath of this event was tragic as it turned into a wide-scale humanitarian crisis. While the events of the 2010 earthquake are 15 years in the past, Haiti has experienced rampant geopolitical issues, plunging the nation into chaos. This, coupled with the risk for earthquakes, is concerning. What will happen if Haiti sees a 2010 type earthquake event again, and what can the nation do to prepare? Let's find out. Haiti is located on the western side of the island of Hispaniola, sharing the land with its eastern neighbor, the Dominican Republic. The nation was originally inhabited by the Taino people before becoming a Spanish colony in the late 15th century and later a French colony in the 17th century. Haiti gained independence in 1804 through a successful slave revolt, becoming the first independent black republic in the world. Despite its historic achievement, Haiti has faced political instability, economic challenges, and natural disasters. Its geographical position makes it highly vulnerable to hurricanes, flooding, and earthquakes, as it lies near the seismically active Enriquillo-Plantain garden fault system. This particular fault system caused the 2010 Haiti earthquake and is still highly active. The 2010 Haiti earthquake struck on January 12th, causing catastrophic devastation in the nation's capital, Port-au-Prince, and surrounding areas. With a magnitude of 7 and a shallow depth of just 13 kilometers, the quake unleashed widespread destruction, killing over 200,000 people, injuring hundreds of thousands, and displacing more than 1.5 million. The epicenter was near the town of Enriquillo-Plantain, about 25 kilometers west of the capital. Critical infrastructure, including hospitals, schools, and government buildings, was reduced to rubble, while already fragile systems of governance and healthcare were overwhelmed. The international community mobilized in response, but recovery has been slow, revealing deep systemic challenges in disaster preparedness and resilience. Today, the earthquake remains a stark reminder of Haiti's vulnerability to natural disasters and the urgent need for long-term rebuilding efforts. To know more about what triggered the 2010 Haiti earthquake, we have to explore its geology. Haiti lies on a geologically active region at the boundary between the Caribbean plate and the North American plate, making it highly susceptible to seismic activity. The island is intersected by two major fault systems, the Enriquillo-Plantain Garden Fault System in the south and the Septentrional-Orient Fault System in the north. These transformed faults accommodate the horizontal movement between the two tectonic plates. Over time, the stress accumulation along these faults leads to earthquakes, as seen in the devastating 2010 Haiti earthquake. This plate boundary is also responsible for the 2021 Haiti earthquake, which, while not as devastating as the 2010 event, did kill over 2,000 people and add insult to injury due to geopolitical instability. Unfortunately, it's not a question of if, but when the next large earthquake will affect Haiti. The other concern is that the nation is not prepared for this prospect and is likely even less prepared than in 2010. To prepare for a future major earthquake, Haiti must address itself as a nation. Haiti remains one of the poorest and most politically unstable nations in the Western Hemisphere, grappling with a dire socioeconomic and geopolitical crisis. Chronic poverty affects most of the population, with widespread unemployment and limited access to education, healthcare, and basic infrastructure. Political instability, exacerbated by weak governance, corruption, and recurring natural disasters, has fueled a cycle of unrest and violence, with gang control and insecurity plaguing many areas. These problems must be addressed in a proactive way, which includes a complete governmental overhaul. Stability needs to be brought back to the government so that Haiti can help its 11 million residents and tame corruption, unrest, and crime. Sadly, this likelihood is as far as it's ever been in Haiti's history, but hypothetically, If the nation were to achieve this, it can continue to the next step, which is economic recuperation. Thanks to Haiti's tropical location, the nation is warm year-round and physically stunning. So it does have the potential to become a tourism destination. The Dominican Republic, Haiti's eastern neighbor on Hispaniola, is geologically at the same risk from earthquakes, but it has a bustling tourism industry along with a fairly diversified economy. If the Dominican Republic can do this, so can Haiti. A diversified economy will greatly improve the lives of Haitians by bringing employment opportunities and other benefits. If tourism brings in lots of revenue, then Haiti can invest it into infrastructural projects, such as the retrofitting of buildings for earthquakes, especially in the most populated areas such as Port-au-Prince. Industrialized nations like Japan are incredibly prepared infrastructurally for earthquakes, and this has been proven to save lives. In addition to retrofitting infrastructure, Haiti can implement stricter building codes so that development in high-risk areas is discouraged. Another measure that could be applied is that Haiti could conduct widespread public education campaigns on earthquake safety. This will make Haitians more prepared if the worst happens. An indirect cause of earthquake deaths and damage is deforestation. Haitian deforestation, driven by decades of logging, agricultural expansion, and reliance on charcoal as a primary energy source, has significantly reduced the country's forest cover, leaving less than 2% of its original forests intact. This environmental degradation worsens the impacts of earthquakes. Without forest cover, soil becomes unstable and prone to landslides, especially on the steep terrain common in Haiti, increasing the risk of catastrophic secondary effects during seismic events. Reforestation of these unstable sloped areas would ultimately limit the number of landslides that not only occur during earthquakes, but also occur during other natural disasters such as hurricanes and flooding rains. After the United States, Haiti was the second independent nation in the Western Hemisphere, which makes it unique. Unfortunately, history has not been kind to the nation, and today, it's in dire stress. Geologically, Haiti's vulnerability to earthquakes is a pressing issue that demands both immediate and long-term solutions. The 2010 earthquake serves as a grim reminder of the nation's seismic risk and weaknesses. To prepare for the expected, Haiti must address its deep-rooted challenges, including political instability, poverty, and deforestation, while investing in earthquake-resistant infrastructure, public education, and reforestation efforts. Though the path forward is steep, with a stable government, economic diversification, and a focus on resilience, Haiti can reduce the devastating impact of future earthquakes and build a safer future for its people. Let's hope that with the right strategies, this can become a reality. What do you think Haiti can do to reduce the impacts of future earthquakes? I'd love to hear your opinion, so please leave your feedback in the comment section below. That concludes this week's episode. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like this channel, you love my other content. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, Our World, Our Planet, Our Home, if you want to learn more about the Earth. Until next time!